this video, I'm going to create a Kubernetes cluster in DigitalOcean cloud. So first, I log into the Kubernetes DigitalOcean website. So this is my dashboard, and I will go to the left navigation pane and click on Kubernetes. We are now in the Kubernetes page. So we are going to click create a Kubernetes cluster. Click on it. After that, I will choose a data center region. I'm going to choose the Singapore or Sydney, Australia, Sydney as the one. After that, I need to go down to choose the version. So I will leave it as the default 1.28.2. For the cluster capacity, I will leave it as the fixed size. So I will not do the auto scaling. And the pool name is default. I will leave it default. I will choose 3 nodes. It will cost about $24 per month. The rest looks good. I will click create cluster. Now Kubernetes cluster has been created. I will click on the connecting to Kubernetes. So this is the let knows that we need to wait for the cluster configuration has been completed. So this is the command that we can use to connect to the Kubernetes cluster from the local machine using a terminal or the CLI. So now we are going to install the doctl. It's the DigitalOcean control or controller. So I click on that. So I using a Mac OS. So I use the brew install doctl. So I'm going to bring up my terminal. This is my terminal. I clear my screen and try to type in brew. Install doctl. So it will install the doctl command in the local machine. So now doctl has been installed. Try to test the doctl. So doctl version is 1.100.0. So now doctl has been installed. Going back to the dashboard, I'm going to add the certificate. So I will try to paste it right here. So I need to initialize the doctl init. So I need to key in the access token. I need to create the personal access tokens. So I'm going to generate a new token. So I'm going to name it as the like this, expiration for 90 days. Click generate token. So I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to paste the token right here. Validating token, so it has been verified. So I'm going to connect the Kubernetes cluster and try to download the kubeconfig. So now I successfully added the kubeconfig to my local machine. So now I'm going to check the Kubernetes resources. And qctl get ls namespace. So it has been successfully created a cluster, so we can see that the default resources of the Kubernetes we can see now. So this is the manual way to create the Kubernetes cluster in the DigitalOcean website. So it's extremely simple and straightforward, and click through the dashboard and you will get the Kubernetes cluster right away. So after that, I'm going to destroy all the Kubernetes resources. So I'm going back to the Kubernetes cluster. So this is my cluster created 9 minutes ago. I click on the option here in the right hand side. I try to click the destroy button here and try to copy the cluster name and paste it right here, destroy. So that will destroy the Kubernetes cluster. Now it has been deleted, so there is no more cluster running in DigitalOcean. So it's super easy and very straightforward. So that is all for the Kubernetes cluster using the DigitalOcean dashboard.